Happy New Year to all of you guys. 2020 is finally gone and today is 1st January 2023. And I wish that this year 2023 is going to be very fantastic and special for you guys. And to make this year more special, we are finally starting our video editing course with phone using InShot. And I know that in this new year, many of you want to start their YouTube channel, and some of you have already started their channel. Video editing is very important for the people who want to become a content creator on YouTube or any kind of another platform. So if you want to become a content creator on YouTube or any kind of another social media, then you need to learn video editing. So for you guys, I'm starting this video editing course using phone with InShot in this new year. And guys, this is the first video of this course, so now let's begin this video. So guys, first let's talk about InShot. What is InShot? So basically InShot is a very beginner friendly video editing app for Android and iOS. So if you are a beginner who don't know anything about video editing but want to learn video editing with phone, then I recommend you InShot because it is very beginner friendly and its interface is very easy and simple. It is not very hard video editing software. And guys, this video is also edited on InShot, so you can see the quality when you export the video. So now let's go to our phone screen and let's see how you can download and install InShot. So guys, on this side you can see my phone screen. So here I'm going to do is that open up Play Store, and here you can see just search for InShot app on your Play Store, and you can see this is InShot, a video editor and maker, so with 500 million plus downloads. So you can see that. And here we also have some comments like you can see, and this app is very fantastic for a beginner. So let's install this app. So just tap on this install button to install it, and InShot will just start to install. So you need to wait while this is installing. So InShot is almost downloaded and it is now installing. So while this is installing, make sure you hit that red button and tap on the bell icon to get more videos like this one. We help you get these kinds of videos. So as InShot is finally installed, and you can see this open button, just tap on it and it will open up the InShot app. So you'll see this kind of ad. So just this is not ad, this is a video that InShot will show you. So just cancel it and cancel this from here and tap on the OK button on over here, and then here this is the interface of InShot. So it is simple. From here you can edit video, you can edit photo, and but right now we want to learn video editing. So I'm going to tap on a video, and then you need to just allow over here, and you can see these are the videos that I have already edited. So just tap on new button, and from here you can choose the video that you want. So I'm going to, let's say, choose this video and tap on this button, and then it will take me to the main video editing software. So you can see this is the interface. We have bunch of features that we will discuss in our second video. So this is the process to download InShot and to open your video file in InShot. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed the first part of this course, and the next part will come very soon on this channel. So make sure you hit that red button and tap on the bell icon so you'll not miss the video of this course that I will upload in the future. So in this video I just only showed you how you can download and install InShot from Play Store, and the all the links are given below. You can tap the link and download the install the InShot application for Android and iOS. The link is given below, and that's it. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Next video will come very soon. Peace.